Yes, welcome back as we continue to edit our website. I thought of something before we start editing the menus. I think I want this color here to blend with this logo. So I want to change this to black. I want to change this to black. Let's see how it's going to look like, right? So let's edit with Elementor. I always like to open in a new tab so that this page can still be there. So let's click on this. Let's quickly edit this. Let's go to star. So let's edit it. You can't edit it here. Go to star. So we change this color here. You can see background. So this is the background of the text. So we change the background. This is the color. I want to change it to black. Maybe I don't want the black to be too blackish. Okay, let's do that. I think that's okay. Let's click on update. I'm seeing shadow there. Text box shadow. Let me remove the box shadow. So I think that's good. So I also would like to, where is that? Okay, that's that. So this one, I think that means this one, we can edit this one through. Okay, this one is on the header. I will see if I can do it, but let's check what we've done. Let's see how it looks like. So yes, so I have this black now and it's looking like this, so that's cool. The next thing I want to do is, so we now move to start editing our pages. So the next one is about page. So click on about page. Yeah, this is the about page. This. So I don't really like what I'm seeing here. I want to import maybe a new page, a full page on this about page. Yes, about us. About us should be about maybe. So what we'll do now is let's click on edit with Elementor. Okay, I can edit with Elementor. Use this one. So what I want to do is I want to delete all these things. I want to delete all of them. So I will delete this one too. So now I have this. So I want to import a full about us page from somewhere. That's another way to build a page. So I've shown you how to use this, where we are going to click on this, select this one. Do you understand? Then you drag in some of these things. So that's one way. Another way is to import a full page. So I will import an about us page. Now click on this starter template icon. So these are pages. So maybe I can search for about. Okay, about. about us. Can you see it has brought it? So we can look for anyone that you think is cool. Then okay, I think this one is fine. Okay, yes, I think I like this. About us. Click on this. This is how it looks like. Then the next thing is to import templates. Can you see? So click on it. So it's importing now. So now we have imported a full about us page. This is it, a full about us page. So what we'll do is, I think we should just change this image. Let's change this image. Star. So this is the image. We want to change it. What we'll do is click on this. About us. Maybe I should use this one. Yes. About us. I should use the one where when a team. That looks like a team. We can say about us. So you can let me click on this. Can I say default? Okay, so you see now the image has come down a bit. What next? It's about us. You can update. That is good. Then you scroll down. Our mission. I can change it to our story. Our story. So here we can start with digital creative concepts. Was founded the second 21. This is us. Street. Then you can click on this, edit whatever you want to edit. Then this image, you need to edit it, our story. So what can we put there? Let's look for a very good image that talks about story. You need to be very fast about this so that you can finish very fast. So I want to pick the picture I feel depicts that our story, talks about our story. Let me see. I see a very good one. I'm searching. So I think this is cool. Let's select this. Okay, click on open. Let the image upload. Yes. Then click on insert media. So the image is there. So that's our story. Do you understand? So the next thing is, let's talk about our theme. So this one, core values, blah 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 blah. I think that's okay. Let's leave that. Core values, external experiences. Then let's pick one here. So let's put one under it. Let's put it our theme. Let's check another. Let's look for this time around. Let's look for a block. So let's search for our theme. No result form. So you search for theme under the blocks. Search for theme. So it will bring different kind of blocks that you can use. So I think I want to use this one. I like the black. So yes, so let's import block. It's importing. So we have successfully imported this. So if you click on it to start editing, you can say meet our theme. Let's use that. Meet our theme. So that's that. Let's give it a bit of, I think, a space at the top. So come to style, advanced. So we need padding top. Okay, let's do 10. Change this one to 10 also. So up and bottom is the same. So now let's edit this image. Let's edit this. Let's check our files. Can pick anyone at the school. Upload. So can change image size full, medium. I think that's cool. You can change the name, Robert Wood. Whatever you like, just change it to Yene Jackson. Do you understand? Then click on this to check it. Co-founder, you can leave it like that. Then this one, you can change it. Give it whatever image you want to give it, or let me give it this. Yeah. Wow, this is a bit bigger. I don't want that. It's too. It's full too. I'm going to change this image. It's not the size I want. Let's see this. Then we need another one. Let's look for another woman. So it's uploading, waiting. So insert media. So now we have the team members. If you want to change the name, click this, you can edit it. Change this, click this, you can edit it. And this is their Facebook icon, Facebook listing. So if you click on it, you can add their Facebook listing to it. Yeah, so you can see now you can add their link and all that. So that's what you need to do for that. So that's that. Let's click on update. So I think we should have a call to action button. This one is not necessary, honestly. This call to action, extraordinary experiences, we don't need it. Remove it. So after this now, let's have I think this should go back to center. Let it go up like that. So that's good. So I think our page is taking shape. So finally we have our team. Finally, let's look for another block that is called maybe call to action. Let's search for CTA. Call to action. There's something like that. So let's look at this. I want to watch something. You can see here that this guy is from this end to this end. I don't want it to be like that. I want it to be like in the middle. So let's come here. When you click on this, you click on layout. It's showing content width. So let's move it. Okay. Content width, beautiful width, box to width is okay. Yeah, I think it's okay like that. So I feel like adding like a call to action here, something like send us a message now or something. So you click on this, so 1, okay, 2. I think I need 2 this thing. So we have 2 this thing. So the first one will be a text heading. Then the other one will be an image. Oh, sorry, a button. So the button is there. Let's centralize it. Let's look at the star. Text color, background time. Color is going to be, I think I'm using black, not too black. Okay, that's good. So this button, the link is going to be contact us. Okay, let me just change this. This one is going to be, this one will be message us now. Message us now to get started. So you can change this one to H3 or H2 outcome. And this one to and you see. So message us now to get started. That's why. So I want to separate this and this. So click on this so that we can give you some space. Come to advanced. Anytime you want to give space at the top like that, just click on that hamburger sign, come to advanced, and you click on type 10. And you see 10 is there now. Type 120. So I think that's good. So click on this to put the link. So the link you are putting here is a contact us page link. Contact us page link. You must be able to link all those pages with each other like that. That's how it works, so that it's easy for your website visitors to navigate your page. Now you want them to message you, click here, so you take them to the contact us page. So that is that. Update. I give it the background. The background. Can go to style. Background type. That's what puts in it. This is one the background. Go to style. Go to advanced. Go to background type, gradients. The other time I used black and blue, black and turquoise. So I also use that. It's good. The angle. So updates. So we are getting there, and finally let's see, let's see how it looks like. Let's go back about page. No, the next one is services, next one is contacts. So this is the about us page. Story, M13. Message us now to get started. This, I think this should spread across. Let's see if we can spread it across. Click on this. Click on this. Go to layout. Let's see if we can spread it across. So updates. Let's check if it has spread. Okay, a bit. I spread a bit. I think it's okay like this. Okay, like this, but the message is not centralized. Let me see. Let me make it centralized. Contents. Centralized. So that's good. So let's leave it and let's move to the next page, because we still have a lot of things to do actually. So we are through with About Us page. Let's go to service page. So click on services, then edit with Elementor. You can click the About and delete this. Services, then Elementor. So the first thing we would like to do is to change the image. As we all know, for our services page, so this layout, no problem, just come to style. That's where we change the image. So choose your image. Let's choose this. Start media. Let's see how it looks like. These are the things you need to do. The images you put and it's not looking very good, you remove it and you add another one. Do you understand? So that's how it works. So our services, just make sure, just put something that you like, that is very good. It's okay. So position default, let's look at center. Okay, I think this is better. Center, top center, let's see. I think center is okay. So that is that. So the next thing we like to do is look at all these are all the services go along. I want to delete them. I want to bring in another. I want to bring in a block. I want to delete this. I want to delete this. And bring a block. This. And then bring a block. So let's bring in a new block here. Click on this, then go to blocks, then search for, what are we searching for? Services. These services, scroll, can just go for a simple design, maybe this, let's go for something simple. This white. So we'll import it now. Import block. So it has been imported now. So what next are we going to do? So we need to edit. So let's start editing this. Our services, we can make it capital letter. Our services, that's that. Default is the H2. Let's make it H1. That's too H2, then make it centralize. So We click on this. So you edit this wherever way you want to edit it. So we come to this box. When you click on that box, these images that is under the background is looking ugly. Let's change it. Or let's change the services first. This icon, I don't know what does it mean. So let's change this first. Service 1. One of our services is web design. Web design. It's also be on content. Okay, web design is there. Here, pause, make it be at the same time. Web design. And this one too. Make sure it's at the center. Make it centralized. Then the second, why is it towards this? Well, let's just continue. The second is what is the name? Graphics design. Graphics design. And the third is service is content development. Content development. Composition. So that's how this is. That's like this. So web design. Let's see. Is there any message? Let me look at the icon there. Web. Nothing like web. Maybe I use globe. Okay, let me use this one. Then for this one, graphics. Anything like it, okay, graphics. Look for pencil. So like look at your designing. Graphic design. Graphic design. And content development. This one should be like a pen. So that's I just have to think outside the box. Pencil, pen. Content development. Then you insert it. So I think we can change the background of this image. It's not looking fine. I don't like it. So come to style. It's an image for web design. Let me see. Go to my files. Click on this. I believe you are following me. Please, that's why this is a video. Make sure you are following. When you're watching this, pause it, play it again, pause it, play it again. So this is web design. So what can I do here? Maybe this. Let's see how this looks. Let me see this. So you insert. That's how it looks like on that page. Okay. Okay, I think this is nice. Web design, can change this to whatever you want to change it to. So the next one is graphics design. You need to change the background image also. So now we've changed the background of all the three. These are services: web design, graphics design, and content development. So what else can we add to it? What can we add to it? We can remove this. There's a space here. I'm thinking it's too long, it's too big. Click on this. Come to advanced. So this margin, let's reduce it to 100. No. I want to delete this one. Delete. So I think we're okay now. I think we're good to go. So we don't need to. I think it's okay now. These are our services. So you change these things to. This is just a sample, so I can't be typing now because the time is short. I don't want this video now to get to 1 hour. So please, and I still have a lot of things to touch. So that is that about our service page. If you want to add something, add it to this place. If you want to add maybe buy now or get quotation, so whatsoever, just the same way we've been doing it. So that's that. So that's how to change your service page. Then so let's come here and see. So let's check here now. Let's click services. That's how it looks like. So coming, wow, still the same way. That means I didn't update. How's it all? Can you see now? So let's check now. Make sure you update whatsoever you are doing. If you don't update, it will not. Can you see now that it has not been updated? So our services, blah 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 blah. So I think we are doing good, we are doing great. So I think we should edit our footer now. Let's edit this footer. So to edit your footer, you go back to your WordPress admin backend. So go to appearance. You go to appearance. So now it's time to edit this footer. How do we edit this footer now? You go back to your WordPress admin backend. So you go to appearance and click on widgets. Those footers are called widgets. So you click on widgets. If you look at this is one widget, this one widget, this is another widget. So let's see. So this one now is footer builder widget 1. If you try to open it and you can see about, and you open it further, you will see that is the first one. About, click edit button to change this text. Come and see it. About, click edit button to change this text. So I change it to whatever you want. We have about here already, so you can change it whatsoever. The best digital marketing. So you edit this way, then you click on save. That's footer 1. So let's see if it has changed. Footer 1. Let's check it from here. Let's see if it has changed. So scroll down. So you can see now that this one has changed already. So whatever you want to put there, you put it there. Do you understand? So this one is a footer too. You do the same thing. Whatever you want to put there, you put it there. You can make it a link. Do you understand? So here you can put your menu list. So let's see. So go to footer 2. This footer builder widget 2. So click on it. It's showing menu services. So let's see. Can you see now services? So you can change it to menu and list the menu there. Then the third one is contact. You can then even on this page you can put on this page you can even put a map there. Now we'll do that one on the contact us page. We'll do that on the contact us page. So anyhow you want to edit this, edit it. I've shown you how you will see it. You go to appearance, you go to widget, then you look for footer, then you edit it. Then the footer 3, this footer 3, you can see content and navigation menu. Let me show you. Do you understand? So this one, then there's contact. I'm looking for contacts. So this contact, this is the one that is there now. Contact. And the third one is title. You can remove this one. So that's how. So you come here, you edit it, then you save it, and that is that about the footer. So now on the contact page, so we are winding down gradually. So I think for the contact page I want to still change this image. I want to change this image, so click on edit with Elementor. I already know how we change this. Just come here, go to this place and click on the star. So let's look for the image, contact us. We look for somebody that is receiving a phone call. Let me see if I have that image. Somebody receiving a phone call. So we select the picture, then the upload. Click on insert. Then we can change this background. So contact us, yes, I like that. I didn't even know that it's using a headphone. Yeah, so that's contact us. So that's cool. I love that. So the next thing is we want to do is let's bring this section now. Let's just duplicate this and make it down. So we make it a social media icon. So come, let's duplicate this one. Click on duplicate, and you put it there. Hold down your shift key, then you bring it down. So remove whatever is there. Let's search for social, then you drag it. Can you see that? Drag it there. So that is that. So what are you going to do? Let's edit this. You can edit your address. Edit your address. Put your address there. That's all. Then the next thing is you come to edit this icon. Click on there. For Facebook, you click on it. The icon is okay. Then you put your Facebook link, your Facebook page link. You put it there. So you can search for your Facebook page link. So I've copied my Facebook page link. I put it there. Do you understand? I'm okay with the color. Twitter link. Put the Twitter link there. Twitter.com/anything you want. So just put it there. Then this one, put your YouTube link there. If you want to add another one, you can add it. Then you click on update. As update, then you can change this like I said. So down to see the map coming. So this is the map. So all you need to do is to type your address in the map and it will bring it up. So let me just use an address that I know of in Lagos, 320 Odusonu Street. So let's see, it's looking for it. So this is it, Odusonu Street, Abuja, Lagos. So you can zoom in and zoom out. Can you see now that it's closer? Zoom in. Is it bigger? Okay, can you see now? 220 Odusonu Street. The height, can increase it. So I think that is that, and that is it here. So click on update. So the next thing we want to do is we need to edit this form, but we can't edit this form on Elementor. It's a different plugin on its own, which is WPform. So we are going to go to our WordPress backend to work on this form. So you come back to your WordPress backend and you look for WPform, which is this. Click on WPform. So to bring you here, then you click on contact form 1. Just click on it. So if you want to add anything or you want to remove something, just remove it. I think maybe we should remove this subject, then we'll add phone number, or we'll just change it to phone number. Can you see? Let's change the subject to phone number and make sure it's required. When you click on required, that's why you have this red button, this red asterisk. So that is that about your phone. So the next thing that we need to do is click on save. So after you've saved it, then we need to go to settings, because when website visitors, when they fill this form, which mail will their message deliver to? So you need to set that. So you can click on settings. Then you come to notifications. So notification. Then here you will set the email that their mail will come into. So here I want to set admin@bnbstores.ng.com. Every other thing you leave it as it is. New entry contact form 1, email subject, blah 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 blah. So leave every other thing as it is. Then you come to confirmations. Confirmation is when they send you a message, there should be an auto reply that they will get. So this is cool for me. If you want to change it, you can change it. We'll be in touch in 24 hours. So that is cool, and you can save it. So now I think your form is now cool. So another thing you can do is you can click on embed. Then you click on you can also embed your form formally or use. You can click on use the short code. Then you copy the short code. I will tell you what you are going to use this for. Let's go down. So save again. So if we go back to our page, So assuming on this page, this form is not there. You can see that this one has changed to phone number. So let me show you another thing. Assuming this form is not there and you want to create your own form, that's when you need that shortcode that you copy. So let's assume you want to put another thing here. You want to add another this here. You come to this place, your widget, and you look for shortcode to bring it to you. See shortcode, then you bring it. So you have it here, right? So you come to this place and paste the shortcode. And you see that the form is back now. Can you see you have the form now? You understand? So, but we don't need that. So you can remove it. So you don't need that. Delete it. So I think we are just good to go. I think the final thing, let me show you the final thing that we should do. Let's go to the blog page. Blog page. So the blog page. Click on the blog page, then let's click on customize. So come to the header, come to logo, click on change logo. I think I've uploaded the logo already, which is this one. Then I just type logo. Then select. Then crop, say crop, keep cropping. So I have the logo straight on the page. Click on publish. So what is that? So you can remove this hello world, remove it, go to your page, go to pages, all pages. I want to stop this video by exactly 1 minute. So look for hello world. Let's delete this sample page. Search for hello world. I want to delete it. Okay, I'm not seeing that page. I think there is a page saying hello world. Okay, that should be on post. So I've deleted that one, then go to post. So we can delete that hello world. So this hello world. So select it, then come to move to trash, click on apply. So where is it? Let's see if it's still there. So what other thing can you edit? You can come to header. Let's see header. Let's see the button. this button. Let's even work on this button. Click on this button. You can see take action. Let's change it to, like I said, let's change it to contact, so that we will remove the original contact. Then remove this. Let's copy the contact page so that we make it a link. Contact us page. Yes. So copy this link. Customizing. So put the link here. Put the link here. Open in a new tab. Yes. So that would be nice. Design. Let's design the. This color is okay. Background color. I said I want black. You're giving me black. Okay, so that's that. So click on publish. There's one other thing I want to do. I don't want to forget. There's one other thing I want to do. So I'm going to remove this contact from here since we already have contact here. So I'm going to remove it. So you come to appearance, then menu, then this is contact, then you remove it. Remove. You click on save. Click on save. So now we have the home page, which is looking like this. Come on, it's looking like this. Yeah, it's looking like this. Then we'll have the about page. This is the about page. This is the about page. I think this face should come down a bit. Why is it blocking the face? So this is the about page. This is our story, our theme, then messages now to get started. Then if you look at our services, very simple website. Look at this, services. If you have other things you can add, that you can cover everything in just a single. So, but we've shown you everything that you need to know. Then blog. So these are the details that you have there. The first blog. So, and contacts. Click on contacts to take you to the contact us page. And this is our contact us page. And this is what we do. So I think in this whole video, that's 2 hours altogether, we've been able to cover every basic thing that you need to know. How to edit with Elementor, how to use the customize editor, how to use blocks, how to import a full page, how to import your template, how to use Astra, how to create a form, how to embed a form. So those are the things you need. How to edit your footer, image, how to upload images and all that. So we've covered almost everything that you need to know. So go ahead and start doing your own project. I believe if you have issues, just watch this video over and over again. You can import the same templates and just do the same thing. After them, you import a new template onto your own. So I want to believe you have gained one thing or the other in this video, and I will be glad to see your home projects. Take your time, do your project, work on it, get your pictures that you're going to be using. You know, we used a lot of pictures in this project, so get your images online, good ones, good images. So images is very important when it comes to the beauty of websites, how your website comes out, and its images are very important. So the last thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to log out of this page. So I'm going to visit that website as a visitor. So let me come here. So let's just slash website. Let's just remove this one. So let's search for our website. Yes, leave. Oh yeah. Come on. Yes. So this is our website. So if you are visiting as a visitor, or if you are checking this website as a visitor, this is what you are going to be seeing. Digital creative concepts, blah 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 blah. Affordable service, the series. I love this part. Yeah, so that is that. Then check other parts about outposts and services. Can you see? Finally blog. Can you see that finally? Let's check the contact page. So this is it. So thank you very much. I will see you in the next video when we will be working on our final project, which is e-commerce website. And after that, I will work on the bonus videos, which is how to add live chats to your WordPress website, how to back up your website, how to some other things like that. So you will enjoy it also. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.